I'm going to let you in on a little secret as I make my post-workout smoothie here. Okay, if you are a perimenopausal or menopausal woman, you may want to consider creatine. Creatine is not just for bodybuilding men in those cutout onesie things. I know, nice image there. Anyway, why? Because creatine has been shown to be beneficial for building muscle and reducing muscle breakdown and reducing bone loss. Remember, as we age and estrogen decreases, we lose muscle and bone. Super important here. Also, it's been shown to reduce injuries. Finally, what's my favorite topic related to aging? Brain health. There are big brain health benefits to creatine. It's been shown to improve mood, memory, cognition, and reduce the risk of depression. Okay, but what about weight gain? Women are, understandably so, sometimes afraid of the weight gain that comes along with creatine. Studies actually do not support this. Research shows that it leads to strength without weight gain. However, people do report sometimes bloating and even weight gain, which is likely due to water weight. Make sure you drink a lot of water and give your body some time to adjust. So what should you look for if you're gonna give this a shot? Look for a creatine product that is creatine monohydrate and contains nothing else. That's all you should find in the ingredient list. And don't forget, it's not going to work if you don't work. You need to strength train. I'm gonna go have my morning smoothie and I'm gonna report back more in the caption.